Israeli Prime Minister Naftali Bennett and other senior officials are likely to visit India this year as the two countries celebrate 30 years of diplomatic relations, Israel's ambassador to India Naor Gilon said on Monday. In a webinar held for the virtual launch of a special logo set in motion to the year-long celebrations to commemorate the occasion, Gilon said he feels very lucky to be Israel's ambassador in India when relations are exceptional and beyond regular, one of partnerships between Asian civilizations. To further deepen bilateral cooperation in diverse areas, Gilon said Prime Minister Naftali Bennett and other officials are likely to visit India as the two countries celebrate 30 years of establishment of diplomatic ties. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar had extended an invitation to Bennett from Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Israel last year.